Hello everyone and welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm going to make videos about pattern making and fashion design. I'm John and I'm a Danish fashion designer living in Canada with over 25 years of experience. To find quality clothes that actually fits can sometimes be very challenging unless you are a perfect standard size. The good news is the perfect fit is possible even if you're not that standard. The answer is, of course, made to measure, because size perfect is actually your own size. I'm here to share my knowledge and help you create your own personal patterns so you can create and experience the feeling of clothes that fits. In my next video, I will show you how to take your own measures and make the calculations you need to make your own personal pattern. And if you want to follow along and make your own clothes, you can download this size chart for free and rewatch the videos for instructions. Or you have the option to buy the step-by-step guides in the description below if you don't want to watch the videos over and over again. In my coming videos, I'm going to demonstrate how to make a classic pencil skirt, a dress, a sleeve, and different ways of constructing corsets. If you are interested, I can elaborate on some of these subjects in later videos. Suggestions are welcome too. So expect to hear more from me in the coming days and weeks. If you like what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe, comment, or consider hitting the like button. When you subscribe to my channel, you will be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my coming videos. Bye.